हाँ बेटा, one more topic today we will discuss. The topic is surface areas and volumes. यानी क्लास 10th का ये चैप्टर नंबर 13 है. ऑलरेडी इसमें मैंने एक टॉपिक आपके साथ डिस्कस किया. उसमें मैंने आप लोगों को बताया अबाउट सॉलिड, क्यूब एंड क्यूबाइड. Today we will discuss one more solid यानी सिलेंडर. एक्चुअली बेटा मुझे डिस्कस करना है आपके साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मगर उससे पहले आपको मैं कुछ यहाँ बेसिक पढ़ाऊं ताकि क्वेश्चन समझने में आपको आसानी हो जाए. हाँ भाई, ये जो सिलेंडर है क्लास 9th में भी आपने पढ़ा होगा कि ये जो सिलेंडर होता है इट इज ऑल्सो ए सॉलिड. तो ये हम किससे गेट करते हैं? व्हेन वी रिवॉल्व अ रेक्टेंगल. यानी बेटा कोई पेज दे दो मुझे, पेज बेटा. यानी अगर आपके पास कोई रेक्टेंगल हो, लेट अस सपोज दैट if we have a page which is a plane figure. जब हम प्लेन फिगर को बेटा रिवॉल्व करते हैं, प्लेन फिगर पेज है, कोई पेज जल्दी रहो. तो प्लेन फिगर को जब हम रिवॉल्व करते हैं यानी रेक्टेंगल, we get solid. The solid is known as cylinder like this. Yes बेटा, यानी जब हम बेटा इसको रिवॉल्व करेंगे ऐसे, we get solid. This solid is known as a cylinder. Yes बेटा, like this. यानी भाई अगर आपके पास we get a solid like this and this is known as cylinder. This cylinder has three pieces. One face यानी ये भी इसकी फेस है, ये भी एंड ये भी. Two faces are circular and one is curved. This is curved. These two faces are circular and these are known as the bases of cylinder. When it is cylinder, then obviously it has cylinder. It has center. And this is known as the diameter of the cylinder यानी AB. अगर हम इसका नाम देंगे बेटा AB, this is known as the diameter of the cylinder. This is also known as the diameter of the cylinder. And the line segment joining from this center to यानी from the center of the upper base to the center of the lower base, this line segment, this is known as actually the axis of cylinder. Yes, this is known as axis of cylinder. बेटा चेक करो दिखाई देता है कि नहीं. This is known as axis of cylinder. Yes, and its length is known as height of cylinder, which is denoted by h. These two circular bases are congruent, यानी their radii is same. हाँ बेटा, ये जो OD है ये तो R है, this is also R, this is R and this is R. Now we will take some formulae, or if you take the example of cylinder like pencil या बेटा this marker या pen. This is an example of या pipe. Cylinder has many types: solid cylinder, hollow cylinder. Now we'll take the formula number first. Formula number first is how we determine, या by which formula we can determine the curved surface area of cylinder. ये जो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया होता है बेटा, ये क्या होता है? यानी विदाउट टॉप एंड बॉटम. दिस इज नोन एज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. curved surface area, and this curved surface area equals to the curved surface area of cylinder equals to, this is beta q pi और h. चेक करो दिखाई देता है. R means radius and h means height. Formula number second is total surface area. ये total surface area किसके बराबर होता है? That is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Yes. यानी total surface area of cylinder जो होता है, this is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Yes. What is the definition? यानी जो total surface area होता है बेटा, ये क्या होता है? This is the यानी area of three bases. यानी area of two bases, the two circular bases, and area of this curved. This is known as the total surface area, or simply this is known as surface area. Formula number third, the volume of cylinder, यानी capacity. This is equal to pi r square h. Yes, beta. Let's take one more solid. Let's take one more solid. The solid is the cone. One more solid, that is cone. For example, an ice cream, which is in the shape of cone. It has one circular, yani one circular base, or we can say its one base is in the shape of circle. This is circular base. When it is circular, then obviously it has center, it has diameter. Yani if we take this AOB, this is known as diameter of the cone. And this is OB, this is R, and this is R. And this is known as the vertex. This is known as the vertex of the cone. See, this is known as the vertex of the cone. And the line segment from this vertex to the center of the circular base, this, if it is center, this is known as height of cone. One more height, the line segment joining from vertex to any point on the circumference of this base, this is known as slant height, which is denoted by L. हाँ बेटा, आपने 9th में भी पढ़ा होगा. Now, if you have to determine its curved surface area, this is equal to pi or L. R means radius and L means slant height. The slant height is denoted by small l. One more formula, total surface area. This is equal to pi r into L plus R. ये आपके लिए जरूरी है कि ये जो फॉर्मूला है आपको ये यानी अपने दिमाग में होने चाहिए. One more formula, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Yes. Curved surface भी इससे कहते हैं या कहते हैं lateral surface area, यानी without top and bottom. Then total surface area, यानी कितने faces, how many faces it contains. The area of all faces, that is known as the total surface area. Now we will take one more solid. The solid is sphere, yani like a ball, not a circle, because circle is plane figure and ball is a solid figure. Yes. Now, if you have to determine its total surface area, this is equal to 4 pi r square. And its volume equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Yes, beta. When we divide a sphere into two equal parts, each part is known as hemisphere, like a bowl. Yes, which is in the shape of yani, if we take this solid, this is known as hemisphere, like a bowl. If you have to determine the curved but keep in mind one more point, the sphere has no curved surface area. Yes, मगर जब मैं बात करूंगा हेमिस्फीयर की, इसका जो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया होता है, कर्व्ड, वो किसके बराबर होता है बेटा? दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई r square, where r is radius. And when you have to determine its total surface area, this is equal to 3 pi r square. One more point, the point is how will you determine the volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. These are some important formulae so that we can easily solve the questions of exercise 13.1. Yes, now we will take question number 2. Before this, I already discussed with you the question number 1. Yes, now we will take question number 2. What's the question? A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Keep in mind. यानी बेटा एक vessel है, vessel. वो vessel जो है, that is in the form of hollow hemisphere. यानी vessel जो है, वो क्या है? बेटा चेक करो, दिखाई देता है कि नहीं? ये जो vessel है.
Yes, sir.
It is in the form of hollow. Hollow means it's empty. यानी इसके जो faces है, ये जो circular faces है, ये क्या है? Hollow है. Like a pipe. यानी जब आप pipe लोगे, that is a cylinder, but pipe is a hollow cylinder. Yes, beta. Now, is in the form of hollow hemisphere, mounted by a mounted. हाँ बेटा, यानी ये जो वेसल है, वेसल जो है, ये वेसल क्या है? It is in the shape of hollow hemisphere. यानी ये जो बेटा क्या है? ये जो वेसल है, ये एक वेसल है, but it is hollow. It is in the shape of hemisphere. मगर इसके ऊपर क्या है? इसके ऊपर है बेटा एक सिलेंडर. यस, इसके ऊपर क्या है? इसके ऊपर एक सिलेंडर है. लाइक दिस. यस, दिस इज वेसल. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू सॉलिड्स. कीप इन माइंड, दिस वेसल, it is a combination of two solids. One solid is hemisphere, another is cylinder. In question, the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. इसका जो बेटा diameter है, keep in mind, ये कितना है? It is given in question. It is 14 centimeter. दिखाई देता है?
Yes, sir.
चलिए बेटा. And the total height of the vessel, ये जो total height है, this is 13 centimeter. यानी यहाँ से यहाँ तक, it is 13. Now, find the inner surface area of the vessel. What we have to determine? हमें क्या determine करना है? हमें determine करना है इसका inner surface area. मगर यहाँ मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, यहाँ यानी कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके दिमाग में ये नहीं आना चाहिए कि we have to determine it is total surface area. हम इसका पहले total surface determine करेंगे, फिर इसका नहीं. It is wrong. यहाँ तो combination of solids है. हम क्या करेंगे? इस क्वेश्चन को का सॉल्यूशन डिटरमाइन करने के लिए हम कौन सा सेटअप यूज करेंगे? यानी which setup will we use to solve this question? ऐसा नहीं करना है कि you will determine the total surface area of this then this. No. Simply हम क्या करेंगे? पहले हम जाएंगे हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट पे. यानी हम यहां लिखेंगे फॉर हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट. हाँ बेटा, मैं शॉर्टकट में लिखूंगा यहां फॉर हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट. वही है, हमें क्या डिटरमाइन करना है? इसका क्या हम इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया डिटरमाइन करेंगे? नो. जब हम इसकी तरफ देखेंगे तो हमें क्या दिखाई देगा? सिर्फ इसका ये वाला पोर्शन. ये क्या है? इसका कर्व्ड. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट जो है, इसका जो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया होता है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई r स्क्वायर. पहले मुझे क्या ढूंढना है, इसकी रेडियस, but we have given diameter d, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore r जो होता है, you know the radius is equal to half of the diameter. यानी रेडियस जो होती है ये डायमीटर के क्या होता है बेटा, half. यानी that is equal to d upon 2, that is equal to 14 upon 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Yes. Now we will determine its curve, not its total. इसमें आपको कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया जो इसका होता है that is equal to 2 पाई r स्क्वायर. 2 को बेटा ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, पाई को भी ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. क्या पाई का वैल्यू अभी नहीं देना है? नहीं बेटा, हम तो लास्ट में इसका वैल्यू देंगे. What's the value of r? r is 7 into 7. Yes. जब हम इसको सिंपलीफाई करेंगे, ये क्या बनेगा, 7 into 7, that is 49. 49 into 2, that is 98 pi centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because area is always represented in square units. Yes. Now we will take another solid. The solid is in the shape of cylinder. For this, what will we determine? We will determine its total surface area. No, it is empty. Yes, it is empty. It is not solid. Solid. It is not solid. It is empty. Empty. यानी बेटा इसका भी हम क्या करें, डिटरमाइन करेंगे. इसका भी हम डिटरमाइन करेंगे, यानी कर्व्ड सरफेस. कर्व्ड क्यों? व्हाई नॉट टोटल? यहां तो ये भी जो है बेटा, ये तो हालो है, ये जो है ये तो इसके साथ मिली है बेटा. Then we will determine the curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH. For बेटा चेक करो, दिखाई देता है. For cylindrical part.
Yes sir.
पूरा
हाँ
यहाँ,
हाँ वहाँ भी.
चलिए. For cylindrical part we have R is given, that is 7 centimeter. Why 7 centimeter? Because the radii of two solids is same. What's the height? Height. H means height. Height. Total height from this point. If we take, it is O. It is, for example, O dash. From O to O dash, the total height is 14 centimeter. But we have to determine the height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? It is from the point O to, let's suppose that it is M dash. M, that is the height of the cylinder. That is equal to total height. What is the total height? That is beta 14 minus, ये सब correct करेंगे. It is also 7. It is the radius. It is 7. It is 7 minus 7. It becomes 6 centimeter. So curved surface area, यानी cylindrical part जो है, its curved surface area, that is equal to 2 pi RH. Keep in mind. Yes. चेक करो, दिखाई देता है यहाँ. 2 को ऐसे ही लिखेंगे नीचे
Yes
तक.
sir.
अच्छा. Pi ऐसे ही. What's the value of R? That is 7. What's H? H is, that is 6. But keep in mind it is centimeter square. Yes. On simplifying this, it is 42. 7 6 is 42. 42 into 2. Yani 42 into 2, it becomes 4. 2 4s are 8. 84 centimeter square. Yes. Now, the last point of this question, question number 2. What we have to determine? We have to determine the inner surface area. Now, how we determine its inner surface area? The last setup. Yes, beta. अब हम यहाँ लिखेंगे, यानी therefore inner surface area of the vessel. ये खुद लिखना बेटा. Inner surface area of the vessel, that is equal to curved surface area of hemispherical part plus curved surface area of cylindrical part. Yes, beta. Now, what is the curved surface area of ये जो hemispherical part है, इसका जो curved आया वो क्या आया? That is equal to 98 pi. plus what is the curved surface area of cylindrical part, that is 84 pi. और क्या लिखना बेटा, and centimeter square. Now we will simplify this. What we get beta, it is 1218 pi सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब क्या करेंगे बेटा, अब इसका वैल्यू हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे पाई का. बट यू हैव वन मोर कंफ्यूजन. पाई का वैल्यू हम 3.14 देंगे या 22/7. कीप इन माइंड, अगर यानी क्वेश्चन में लिखा होगा आपको पाई का वैल्यू 3.14 देना तो वही देना. अगर नहीं, यानी if it is not mentioned in question, then always the value of pi is 22/7. Yes, 22/7. और क्या लिखना बेटा, 22/7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 7 1 जा 7, ये क्या बनेगा, 7 2 जा 14, 7 6 जा 42, 7 6 जा 42. हाँ बेटा, जब हम इसको सिंपलीफाई करेंगे ये क्या बनेगा, 572 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इन दिस वे द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, यानी ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है बेटा, ये हुआ कंप्लीट. यस.